As you might already know, I recently bought Nvidia stock, and I've had Nvidia stock rated as one of the best stocks to buy all year long in 2025. And so I was highly anticipating Nvidia's latest quarterly earnings results because it's a company I'm strongly interested in. Nowadays, most of the purchases or most of the use of Nvidia's GPUs, Nvidia's technology, is going towards the output from those large language models. People using ChatGPT and Google's Gemini, etc., and asking it questions, engaging with these AI platforms. That's what's driving most of the use right now for NVIDIA's GPUs. And that's good news for NVIDIA because its latest generation technology, the Grace Blackwell, is built for that purpose. It's built to optimize that purpose. So the new export controls on H20, which is NVIDIA's older generation technology, did not provide a grace period to allow us to sell through our inventory. So the export restrictions were sudden and there was no grace period. So it was a shock to NVIDIA. They went on to say that their newest technology, Blackwell, contributed nearly 70% of data center compute revenue in the quarter, with the transition from its older generation Hopper technology nearly complete. These newer systems are complex to build, and we have seen a significant improvement in manufacturing yields, and rack shipments are moving to strong rates to end customers. They highlighted that major hyperscalers are each deploying 72,000 Blackwell GPUs per week and are on track to further ramp output this quarter. Microsoft has already deployed tens of thousands of Blackwell GPUs, and it's expected to ramp to hundreds of thousands of GPUs with OpenAI as one of its key customers. And I've been reporting on these major hyperscalers, including Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet. They've all said they are spending much more money this year on capital expenditures, with most of that money going towards these Blackwell GPU build-outs. Microsoft, for example, has said that it's going to spend roughly $80 billion this year on capital expenditures, which would be up from $50 billion in 2024. Alphabet similarly said it's going to spend around $75 billion in 2025, up from around $50 billion in 2024. Amazon said it's going to spend over $105 billion on capital expenditures in 2025. That's up by tens of billions of dollars from 2024.
Click the link below to watch the full video.